It's hurricane season, and the need for reliable communication becomes more urgent than ever. When disaster strikes, staying connected is critical. At Parsec, we ensure you stay connected, no matter the circumstances. When cellular infrastructure is compromised, our solutions help you reach the next cell tower quickly and reliably. That's why the public sector trusts Parsec to keep them connected when it matters most. This is where the Boxer Pro Series case antenna comes in. Parsec's newest portable solution, built to keep you connected throughout hurricane season and beyond. With Parsec's patented technology, this 5G Boxer Pro Series features a robust mobile hotspot, 4x4 MIMO cellular connections, and a powerful 9-to-1 configuration, delivering seamless, high-performance connectivity even in the most demanding environments. Small enough to fit in a backpack or carry-on, the Boxer Pro Series goes wherever you go. Whether you're on the move or setting up an emergency mobile hotspot, the Boxer provides full 5G coverage from 600 MHz to 6 GHz, including critical C-band frequencies. From first responder emergency teams to surveillance and covert operations, the Boxer Pro Series delivers unmatched performance in the smallest, most portable design yet. In times of crisis, the Boxer Pro Series by Parsec is there to keep you connected.